Right, this is a daily Squardle. I haven't really got it lined up on my screen properly. 1 second. Here we go. So in case you don't know how a daily Squardle works, as you can see, the letters go across and down. So I'm going to start off with Inter. Am I going to have to use the... Right. So as you can see, I've got an E in the right place but there. I've got nothing in the right place there. But there's an R which comes down there somewhere. And the next word I'm going to use is going to be this one by here and this one by there. So what are we going to put in by here then? So something, if it was going to go across there, it would be RE something maybe. So let's put in ready. Oops. Ready. R-E-A-D-Y. No, nothing in the right place again. So we're now going to be here. There's an R somewhere down by here. We want something with which is going to end there, like a D or a D by there maybe, or an N with an R in it. So let's think, and something by here, ending in a D maybe. So let's dream. The D is right. There is an R down here somewhere. There's an E down here somewhere. So we know back to the first letters. As you can see, I've got 7 goals left. We know there's not an I and not an N. There's an R down here. There's an E. So we've got something maybe. Maybe begin with a C or D, or can't have an R in it, can't have an N in it. Oh, come on, Ant. Mine's gone blank now. Think of a word. Just think of a word. Oh, let's just put something in. Cowed. C-O-W-E-D. The C is right. The W and the O aren't. So we're now going down here. We've got absolutely no letters in this one, and we've got no letters across. Oh, there's an A somewhere along here, and there's this R something along there. So something A, something R, doesn't end in an E. Which is going to have a letter going across here as well. And it's not cowed, so can't be an E. Train. Oh, right, so we've got an R, we've got an N, we've got an R per year. The A is in, the A is going to be either there, which could be something, I guess, or it's going to be there. We've got this one starting with a D, there's an R and an E in it. There's no A in it, so it's Dorel, D-I-R, drive. Oh, it can't be drive because the R's not in the right place. The R wouldn't be in the right place there. Dires, dirge. So we got another guess back by here. We're now back on this one. There's no O, there's no E, there's no R. There's an A, the A's in the wrong place. He's in the wrong place, but there, it's got to be here. So it's something R, something A-N. Something R, something A-N. No. Could be organ. Oh no, it can't be organ because there's no over there. Can't be organ. Urban. Could be urban. Urban would put a U there. Cloud. Is cloud a word? I'm not even sure if that's a word, is it? Ah, it is. Right, so that's going to be urban. U-R-B-A-N. Oops, N. Urban. That's urban. That's A, means that A is now over there. So that's going to be arbor. A-R-B-O-R. Which one we doing? We're doing what bottom across. So bottom across is something N-E. And this is C. This has not got an O in it, a U in it, an E in it. So C-I or C-A. And that, there's an A there. So it's something, so it's clamp. Clamp, yeah, could be. Sorry, I'm doing the wrong one, but yeah. So that's something ending in a P. That could be something ending in a P. Pence. Oh. P-E-N-C-E. Ah, fence. Fence. So it's a word with an A ending in an F. Chaff. Chaff. Is that a word? Double F. Chaff's a word. For fence, we've just got one word left, which is arbor. A-R-B-O-R. And I win. There you go. Squardle, which I find is the most difficult one of all to do. Just over 8 minutes. That's pretty good for me. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think. Cheers, bye.